How to use WhatsApp Wave. So if you're also wondering how to use WhatsApp Wave, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for WhatsApp Wave and just click on this first link which appears over here. So WhatsApp Wave basically means you are using your WhatsApp in the browser instead of downloading the application. So you can basically scan this QR code from your already logged in or registered mobile device where your WhatsApp is already logged in, and you can simply scan it. So let me just quickly scan the QR code over here, and I should be automatically logged in with my account just like this. So in this version of web version of WhatsApp, you can basically control your notifications, such as you can easily get a notifications if you want by simply allowing the notifications on your PC, and you can also actually disable the notifications by simply heading over to this button over here and simply disabling it. So other than that, you basically cannot chat to a particular person with a video call or phone call from this browser version. As you can see, that feature has been limited and it's only available on app. So you must download application for that feature. Other than that, everything else is same. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.